In this video, we're going to walk you through how to set your Teams class meeting. You want to start in the Teams app, navigate to the calendar option. In the top right corner, you have the option to create a new event. Click the down arrow option, and you want to select the class template. You'll notice in the new window that opens, it will inform you that you are using the class template. You can name your class what you would like. Make sure the Teams meeting toggle is selected. You want to ensure that you do not add any invited attendees. Leave that section blank. As you're scheduling your class, it's important to think about how this meeting link will be used. If you're setting the class for one class a week, let's say on Monday, then you will set that class just for that Monday, reoccurring weekly. However, if you have that class running on a Monday and a Wednesday, you're still only going to create one meeting link. You will then use that meeting link for students to access your class on Monday and Wednesday. In another video, we're going to show you how to share your meeting link in eConestoga. Let's have a look at our meeting now. We can click our class, has the join button. You can click the down arrow. You can copy the meeting link, or if we expand this window, we now have the meeting access information that we can share with our students.